Folks, here we are at Don Brown Chevrolet at the entrance to the hill at the 5th annual car show, Taste of the Hill, to benefit the Ronald McDonald House. Look at all these wonderful cars out here. How about the 1923 Moon?
That belongs to Wayne Nolan.
Oh, is that right? Perfect. I'm going to talk to him in a moment here.
Did you get me when I
did. No, I didn't get that. I missed that. Great time here. The weather is perfect. How you doing, gentlemen?
Very good, thank you. I'm gonna walk down. There's a lot of cars over there now.
This is just half the cars here. We got a whole nother lot on the other side of the building filled with these cars. Look at this perfect day. The fire department even came by to see this stuff. It's like a great American Saturday. This is a great way to spend it right here at Don Brown Chevrolet, the entrance to the hill. Now let's go see what restaurants came in. We got plenty of restaurants here. Look at these cars. Here, not only can you look at one, you can also buy one. If you don't want to buy an old one, you can buy a brand new one. We have those. The Bel Air, the Malibu.
Jake Oldman, lots of great reasons to join the Arch Allies Club. Once you're in,
Teresa, you gonna take that truck home today?
I am.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
you went on Monday. Or a night out to Donovan.
Here we go. Look at all the restaurants set up here. Everybody's in here. Sono Affamato. Ronald McDonald House. You got Bartolino's. You got Alicia's Pizza. You got Qdoba. Are we having a good time?
Yeah,
There we go. Woo!
Only at Don Brown.
That's right. Pavaz's is set up. Tuscan Tavern and Grill right there. There's Don. There's Vitali's. And here's Ersie's Italian Market right here. We got the Red Bull car here. Red Bull girls are passing out. Look, we got more cars everywhere. So folks, come on down to Don Brown Chevrolet today. Come on down and celebrate Taste of the Hill, the car show, and it's for a great cause, the Ronald McDonald House.